The truth is that if you look immature as a man, you are not going to be viewed as attractive. You're also not going to be respected by other people. You're going to miss out on jobs. You're going to miss out on girls. You're going to miss out on opportunities because you look like a little boy. Today, guys, we're going over some mistakes that are destroying your ability to look studly, strong, sexy, and mature. Number one is excessive social media consumption, all right? Mature men are not spending all day looking at things and girls and spicy action on social media, which brings me to number two, simping. Gentlemen, mature men don't simp. They don't pay for attention from spicy senoritas. Number three is a lack of sexual discipline, all right? If you are somebody that is honestly like always obsessing about girls, or you're always looking at porn, or you're always like doing things like that, this is a sign to other people that you are not mature, because mature men have healthy relationships with sex and pornography. Number four is a lack of impulse control. One of the things that separates men from boys is the ability to push down the urges, whether or not it's urge to shop, to drink, to do drugs, like whatever, or to work, like it doesn't matter. If you don't have the ability to control your urges, you look immature to everyone else. Video games, and I'm just gonna be honest, if you're playing a lot of video games, this is something that honestly comes across as incredibly immature, because grown-ass men don't play a lot of games. Which brings me to the next thing that makes you look immature, and that is you play games with people or other people's emotions. All right, one of the things that separates mature men from not mature men is the ability to have good relationships, all right? If you are somebody that is putting on an act or a game, or trying to like be all like super cool in order to win or attract girls, or you're doing the whole like I'm gonna wait 5 days, or I'm not gonna send a text, or I'm gonna act like I'm not interested, and when I'm actually really interested, you look immature. A mature man doesn't play games. He also doesn't curse all the time, which is something else that makes you look super immature. Not having the ability to not use profanity on a regular basis. If you're dropping the F-bomb or saying shit or damn or whatever a lot, this makes you look immature to other people, because mature men don't use profanity excessively. Once in a while to make a point, yes. All the time, no. You're dumb. You're not educated, and you don't actually seek knowledge. All right, if you're somebody that comes across as stupid or ignorant, or you say a lot of dumb shit that people are like, really, 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 seriously, makes you look immature. If you fight on social media, once again, immature. Mature dudes know they're not going to change anybody's mind or opinion, and if you've got a different one, that's okay. Which brings me to the next thing that makes you look immature. Getting all bent out of shape and pissed off and upset over shit you can't control. Holding grudges, or being mad or pissed off, or not allowing the past to be the past. Gentlemen, if you're living in the past, if you're mad or you're upset or you're not moving on over things that happened to you a long time ago, once again, this is something that immature men do. All right, the next thing that immature men do is avoid eye contact or have weak ass body language. Thing that separates mature men from little boys is confidence, right? And if you don't have the ability to walk into a room, to look at people in the eye, to engage with them, to shake hands, to stand confidently and stand and walk with authority, you unfortunately are going to come across as immature to other people. Which brings me to the next thing. Your grooming game is whack. If you are not well groomed, or you've got bad hygiene, once again, this is a sign to other people that you are a widow boy. Are you a man, or are you a widow boy? If you're a widow boy, then you probably also have whack skin, which brings me to the next thing that makes you look immature, and that is pimples, blackheads, blemishes, or any type of face that's fucked up. The things that separates little boys from dudes that are sexy studs of stallion-y studliness is having amazing skin. Now you're like, yo, Alpha, how do I do it? Well, simple. You hit the link down below, because right now there's a deal that you do not want to miss. $9. It's called the Level Zero. T. Shanley, yeah, you knew it was coming. T. Shanley is the best skincare system in the world. And right now, for a limited time, if you want to grab these two products, a wash and an AM moisturizer, you're going to get it for $9. Why are we doing this? The reason is because we know that if you start here, you're going to love it. Your face is going to clear up. We know that once you start using these two products, you're going to be like, damn, Alpha was right, I'm sexy. You're going to get compliments, right? You're going to want to keep using them, or maybe try some additional products. Right now, guys, these are the two that I want you to check out. There's a link down below. Link is special. This deal is also not going to last. $9. You get the face wash. Use this twice a day, morning and night. And then before you leave the house in the morning, the AM moisturizer with an SPF of 20. Now, the other cool thing is that through that link down below, which is special and custom to you because you're my boys and I want you to look handsome as hell and mature, there's also the level 1 system. But the regular price is like $45 right now. For a limited time, you can grab it for $15. So in my opinion, what I do is probably start there. But if you want to just try the basics, the fundamentals, the ones that you can't live without, grab the Level Zero system for $9, gentlemen. It is a huge handsomeness no-brainer. Guys, hit the link down below. This deal will not last. Literally, $9, you're going to get these two amazing high-quality products that are going to make your face and your skin look sexy as hell. But also, like I said, there's also that level 1 there if you want to kick it up to the next level, all right, that comes with not only the wash, the AM moisturizer, it comes with a PM moisture and an exfoliating scrub that you use twice a week. If you want to grab that right now through that link, $15. Hit the link is special, don't wait because supplies are limited, but what's not limited is the amount of compliments you're gonna get on that sexy ass face. Body odor is another one of those things that make people instantly think that you're like immature, not to mention disgusting. All right, stinky armpits, stinky feet, stinky balls, stinky breath. We're rocking the Axe, right? Yeah, mama. Yeah, exactly. No, mama. Disgusting. Also, you got to make sure that the fragrance you're rocking isn't overpowering or you just know how to wear a fragrance, right? If it's super stinky or pungent or makes people go, oh my God, my nostrils are burning, gentlemen, that is a sign you're immature. Now, the next group of things, whoa, mama, this is all visual. It's style, and there are a bunch of them, all right? Number 1 is always wearing a baseball hat, all right? Baseball hats are fine once in a while, but if you're rocking a hat all the time, it makes you look immature. Also, if it's around back like that, this also is a very youthful way to rock a baseball hat. Sneakers, let's talk about them. Nothing wrong with them once in a while. All the time, this is a sign you got whack youthful style. If you're wearing boat shoes, you're like, what? I'm kidding. Actually, I'm not. Boat shoes make people think that you're immature because no self-respecting, mature man would rock boat shoes. Gentlemen, you also need the ability to dress up once in a while. I'm not saying you got to wear a 3-piece suit or button down like chinos all the time, but you got to be able to dress up, right? You need to have a suit that is tailored properly because another sign of immaturity is when you're rocking a big, baggy, boxy piece of crap. Gentlemen, you got to tailor it up. Be sexy. Also, your shirts, if they're stained, you look immature. If they're whack, if they're striped, this is also another youthful way to dress, which is killing your ability to look stylish and mature. If your pants are sagging low and holding on for dear life, gentlemen, so is your dignity and integrity, stylistically speaking. You got to pull those bad boys up. Mature men wear clothing that fits. If you are a trend jumper, meaning you're jumping from trend to trend to trend to trend just to keep up and try to look super stylish and cool, you look immature. The inability to communicate. We already talked about cursing, but if you don't have the ability to make small talk or conversation with somebody that you don't know or you first meet, this makes you look super immature, all right? If you don't have a plan in terms of something you're going after or a life goal, also immature. If you don't have the ability to commit, whether or not it's to a goal or a plan, a person, or a career path, this is a sign that you are a little boy. You haven't grown up yet, and it lets other people know that you're not ready for responsibility, all right? Which brings me to something else that makes you look immature, and that is lying or talking shit about other people or being a dick. Last but certainly not least, you are a puss. And what I mean by puss is you're a puss. You don't stand up for yourself. You're scared. You don't take control. You don't take action. You're somebody that's waiting for something to happen, right? You're not a man. You don't take control of your life or your situation. You don't have confidence. Gentlemen, confidence is an internal belief in who you are. A young, immature man, he hasn't figured it out yet. But when you're grown ass and you're ready to take on life and the world, you have confidence. True confidence. The confidence that's deep inside that comes from experience, taking risks, and knowing who you are as an individual and a man. And once you reach this, congratulations, you are mature and you're not a little boy. Unfortunately, a lot of men are not this person yet, right? Because you haven't done hard shit. If you truly want to grow up and be a man, you've got to challenge yourself physically, mentally, spiritually, and intellectually. If you're not, unfortunately, you look immature.